If a CEO walked into my office and asked, "What do I need to know about AI?" Here is what I will say in the first 5 minutes. Number one, AI is not a tool, it's a strategic lever. You cannot just sprinkle it on top of your business and expect results. Number two, focus on high impact areas first. Don't try to do everything at once. Number three, always measure return of investment. If AI isn't improving decisions, efficiency, or revenue, it's not working. Number four, culture matters. Your team needs to trust AI insights and know how to act on them. 5 minutes in, most CEOs are shocked. AI isn't just about automation, it's about redefining how your company thinks and acts. Here is a takeaway: start simple, focus on impact, and build a strategy that actually works, not a flashy experiment.